Good day friends. In this video we going to see about different types of catering establishment. What is catering establishment? An organization that provides food and beverages is called a catering establishment. There are plenty of ways food and beverage sectors are classified. We going to see what is primary catering establishment and secondary catering establishment. Primary catering establishment means, like hotels, fast food and restaurants which are primarily depends on food and beverage business. Secondary catering establishment means, in this food and beverage business is in secondary another business only. Like industrial catering and welfare catering services. Let's discuss more in detail about primary catering establishments. We going to see following things more in details. Number 1, hotels. We will see how hotel outlets are benefiting from food and beverages. Number 2, restaurants. Under restaurant we going to see about fast food center, bars and pubs. Number 3, outdoor catering. Let's go through one by one in detail. Hotels. What is hotel? As we all know, hotel is the place where we get food, drinks and accommodation. The main purpose of the hotel is to provide accommodation along with other facilities. However, food and beverage plays a major role in that. There are plenty of graded hotels, however most of them having the below outlets. Coffee shops, where the guest can do small meetings and relax themselves with some light snacks. Room service. It's in 24 hours service department where they provide food and drinks in their room. Restaurants. Every hotel will have different types, different theme-based restaurants where in-house guest or walk-in guest can get the food and drinks. Banquets. It's a major department where hotels make large revenue in that by conducting weddings, conferences and meetings. Bars. Bar is another high revenue generating department in hotel where it differs as per the property. Some luxurious hotels will have nightclubs, pubs, discotheque and cocktail bars. Restaurants. What is restaurant? Restaurant is a place where the guest get the food and drinks. There are different grade of restaurant, we going to see one by one. All-day dining restaurant. All-day dining is the place mostly used for in-house guest. All the package and complimentary breakfast will be provided here. This restaurant opens round the clock in some places morning till midnight. Specialty restaurant. Specialty restaurants are mostly in luxurious property. This restaurants mainly focused high-profile guest with certain specific concepts. For example, specialty restaurant might be French cuisine restaurants, Italian restaurants, Indian restaurant, etc. This restaurants open only on certain hours like lunch and dinner with specific timing. Fast food restaurants. Fast food restaurants are quite popular nowadays as they provide quick service. This is situated in shopping mall or roadside place, mostly opens for lunch and dinner. Bar and pubs. Pubs means public houses. This term is used in England and start to get popular all around the world. Bars are mostly in all the hotels, depends on the hotel grades, the standard and price differs. Outdoor catering. Outdoor catering is mostly used to cater large number of guests outside of the hotel area. It can the guest company, office, outdoor areas like park, beach, anywhere. Function like marriage, conventions and parties are served in outdoor catering. From hotel all the food and drinks are prepared and delivered to the outdoor area. In some function, staffs will stay in outdoor area to prepare the food. Transportation plays a major role in outdoor catering. Banquet team members will handle all the functions. Hotels make huge revenue in outdoor catering as it will be additionally charged for transportation, manpower and the food and drinks as well. Let's discuss about secondary catering establishment. Secondary catering establishment are mainly focused on their specific business, however food and beverage business will play certain amount as well. Following catering are examples for secondary catering. Number 1. Departmental store catering. Food and drinks are served inside or outside of the stores. This styles of catering is followed in large departmental stores. During the shopping, customers can consume their light snack and some refreshment in an assigned area. Number 2. Flight catering. Flight catering are only for the passengers traveling in the flights. Airport catering shops are available for 24 hours. Modern airport has restaurants, bar and fast food center as well to provide catering services. Number 3. Club catering. Club catering are exclusively for certain guests who were part of the club. The prices are reasonable and the guest who is member in the club will get the service. For example, clubs like golf club, cricket club or any other club. Generally club guest are high-profile guest. Number 4. Railway catering. This is one of the type of transport catering specifically for passengers traveling in trains. Catering service will be provided inside the train during the journey and many services available in railway station as well. Let's continue the secondary catering establishment. Number 5. Ship catering. Cruise catering is quite popular in modern era. Nowadays passenger explore the world by traveling in cruise. Cruise catering got very popular in recent days by providing luxurious services. Cruise companies start to provide attractive offers and package to traveler to increase the business. Number 6. Mobile catering. Mobile catering is quite popular in surface areas like bus stands and busy streets. Catering service are moved and placed as per the consumer requirements. Door delivery catering getting popular nowadays due to busy life. Prices are affordable for all type of guest. Number 7. Industrial catering. Industrial catering means food and beverage service offered in specific companies, industries and factories. It's a bit of sensitive catering as they have to provide service to workers. They are to be very careful in terms of quality to avoid any issues. Number 8. Welfare catering. Welfare catering is not business-minded catering. Catering service offered in hospital, school, colleges and education centers are welfare catering. Price is a bit cheaper compared to other catering services and it is offered only in specific establishments. Thank you for watching this video. I believe this video was useful for your studies or at work. If you like this video, kindly subscribe Hospitality Studies channel and share it with your friends, hoteliers and hotel management students. See you on the next video with another interesting hospitality topic.